I have a lot of fun promoting Live Good. You meet a lot of cool people. That's always, it's a good and bad thing. You can be kind of a shy person, or you just want to kind of be left alone to chill. But if you don't mind answering emails now and then, or if you have a Facebook page, people will inbox you. You can always provide your cell phone if you really want. But at the end of the day, since Live Good's a worldwide thing, you're going to probably get friends, at least online, in Africa to down below in Australia. Could be over in Alabama or over in Asian areas, the UK. Mind blowing. I don't know how many countries I have on my downline now. I guess I'd have to count, but could be 30, 40 countries, maybe more. I had no idea that at my age, which is almost 60, that I'd be gaining more friends now. Usually when you get my age, you kind of have less friends, if you know what I mean. Okay, which is kind of a bummer, but life is life. But if you like nutrition and kind of, exercising a little bit, you don't have to run 50 miles an hour for 50 miles, but if you don't mind walking a little bit or stretching and maybe watching your diet to the best you can, low carbs, or who knows, there's good fat, bad fat. You got to watch the calories, and oh my God, your heart, your blood pressure, and then diabetes comes knocking, especially when you get my age. I think 90% of my friends have diabetes at this point. Gosh almighty. Who knew? Who knew it'd be so darn popular in 2025? But I do like Live Good because it focuses, and it's not just always going to be a health and nutrition based company. Just like Amazon started off, mostly just used books. You'd send in your used books and people would buy them and sell them. And Amazon obviously specializes in just about everything created on planet Earth. Live Good, we want to do the same thing. We're similar to like a Costco here in America. Okay, if you don't live in America, there's Costco's all over, and they're massive, massive buildings. I mean, hundreds of thousands of square feet of food, frozen food, dry food, camping gear, socks, could be hats, big screen TVs. It might even have some crazy stuff hanging on my walls. But you pay like, let's say 60, I think it's 60 and 120 to get in for the whole year. If you're just a normal person, like myself, as normal as can be, it's either 60 or 75. And then if you have a big business, people love to go buy in bulk. So for like 100 and something bucks, you can have access, go in Costco and just shop like crazy. And on the way out, buy good hot dogs that are pretty delicious. Okay, people dig the hot dogs. And a Coca-Cola, of course. But with an online presentation like Live Good, our doors are basically your screen. Could be your cell screen. Could be a home computer or a laptop, but you go to your livegood.com. You can go there now. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate. Look at all the products. Go to the FAQ section. Look at all the questions. If you want to know the pay plan, just go to the affiliate pay plan link. Go through all the tabs, you guys. Okay? And remember, you don't have to be a member or an affiliate to shop, just like going to Walmart or Amazon.com. But if you want to get wholesale pricing, all you got to do is spend $10 a month. $9.95. Boom, you're done. And if you want to be an affiliate like myself, where I just make videos like this, and I invite people to a link to look into the business, I let video do all my recruiting and training now. I enjoy doing webcam stuff, and this is it, where I put my hands up and I pretend I know what I'm doing like this. Sometimes I have my pen in my hand, so hopefully it makes me look smarter. And then I mess it all up usually with what I say. But I enjoy doing video, and if you do, I think you'll have, to say massive advantage, gosh, it's darn close. All right, people love video. I think you like video, right? You're probably watching this right now without reading. Okay, I don't have a lot of stuff to read in the background. I might put like a little logo or something off to the side of the video. But if you do video, there's no doubt about it. I think that you're going to like the results. But let's just say you don't. You're just looking at me right now going, no way, Jose. I am not doing a video. I don't care what happens. I'm not doing it. I don't like my voice. I don't know how I look. And I really don't know what to talk about because I'm new with zero experience. Okay? Good. Because now you're 90% of my downline. Okay? I like when you have no experience. You don't have bad habits from like the 70s with Tupperware, Avon, Amway, or who knows. There's a billion other companies out there that you might have joined that appear similar to Live Good. But you got to remember with us, you don't buy products to earn commissions. You just buy our products wholesale because you love them and you want to resell them for your own financial gain, not the company. Okay? If you want to earn commissions like I do, you focus on the membership side, because we're a membership-based company if you're an affiliate. That way, we do not have that burden of spending $300 to get a bonus of $300 or some nonsense with all these other companies that force you to buy products. With this company, you can cross-promote. If you own a pizza place, and let's say you are really successful in, how about Herbalife? All right. I don't even know if Isogenics, or there's so many darn MLMs out there, but most MLMs are like, no, you cannot join another one and cross promote. You can't sell the products online or on Amazon. You can only pretend to sell them to your neighbor and your backyard animals. I mean, maybe there's a goat back there with a rhinoceros. Our company's like, no, you want to buy our products. You proudly display them in your gym, sell them online. Sell them on your Facebook page, or I don't know, maybe have something set up in a vehicle where you go to certain events in the summer and you can sell some real nice things to your friends and make some extra money, okay? It's up to you. I love being an affiliate because, number one, I'm already a member. So I get all these products. I have a handful on my mini fridge. You can see the white containers right there. I'm a big fan of red and green and purple. My purple amino punch, it's fruit flavored. Also, I like brown because I have some organic coffee over there I can see. I like super reds and super greens. Okay, and I buy a protein powder, which is chocolate and vanilla flavored as well. Okay, I'm buying these products no matter what, regardless if I'm an affiliate. Okay, because I was buying these products before I gave a rat's ass, to be honest, about being an affiliate. Once I spent my $40 and I started messing around doing videos like this, all of a sudden my income, boy, it went way over what I spend on products, because my goal is to make $100 a month. That was it. And now I'm number 27 in the company. I plan on being in the top 25, the top 10 by, let's say, the end of summer. That's out of 1.9 million. We'll have 2 million people by summer. And right now I'm on the leaderboard. I've got over 400 people signed up. And I like to help those people get as many people. You, if you sign up now watching me, let's just get you 5 to 10 people real quick. Let's earn you some money. Let's get that $50 back that you're going to spend to join. Okay, $49.95. Now, if you have an extra 100, realize this. You can buy 12 months, your year membership, 12 months for the price of 10. I don't make any more money if you join by the year. It's up to you. It's just convenient. Some people are sick and tired of going $9.95 a month. Then 30 days, get another bill for $9.95 a month, okay? But it's up to you. So if you want to do business, $40 one time to be an affiliate. So you can join now for $49.95, go month to month, or $139.95. Because that $100 plus the 40, guess what? You're now an affiliate and member for a year. And next year, you just got to renew to be a member. Because remember, that affiliate fee, you're never going to get it again. It's just $40. It's like this tattoo that's on my arm I got about 40 years ago that's fading. Okay? You need to look into this business now. Okay, we're going to be going into summer in a few months. Right now, it's winter where most people in America, it's colder in most states. So you're trying to get in shape. You're inside a little bit. Sure, you might be snow skiing and snowmobiling, but most people, you tend to gain weight over the holidays, and January, February, March, April, those 4 months you're concentrated on, I need to lose about 10 or 15 pounds or get my health up. Then I need to make some money because I spent a bunch on my holiday gift giving. Okay, so in the wintertime, I'm a big fan of online business, but you know what? Our company and myself, I sign up just as many people in the summer as I do in the winter. Because I just keep it simple. Just let video do everything. Please don't overanalyze this business. You can see in the center of my screen, I bought joincory.com. I got a business card you can see right there from Vistaprint, $25, couple bucks shipping. Okay, so if you look at, can you see me? I got some of my business cards in my hand. I just hand them out. If anything comes up on a street level about LiveGood, I give them a card. And I say, just watch the video when you get home or laying in bed watching your cell phone screen, or if you're texting during lunch. But let's not talk about LiveGood, because you're going to think you're going to have to talk about LiveGood to recruit. I don't. All I do is invite you to this little link right here, Join Cory. Okay. And if you want to see what it looks like, here, let me show you. Join, Join Cory. Now you're going to have this exact page as me. Okay. Except you're going to change that Cory's website to whatever you want it to say. People are going to watch this video. They're either in or out. After you watch this video, you're either in and out, like In-N-Out Burger. Okay, if you're in, you'll put your name and email address here. Click Reserve Now. You'll get an email from LiveGood. You open it up and join. And if you want to bookmark this page, you can always watch this video a few more times if you're on the fence, or if you need to join a week from now or even a year from now. Guys, I'm in no rush. Live Good is not going anywhere except through the roof. Okay? So that's all I do. Just to repeat, I invite people to a link. They go to this page. They make up their mind, not with me on the phone, not with me begging them. I don't beg anyone to do this business. All my leads, they all come to me. They want to earn money at home. That's my number one category. People that want to earn money at home or on their cell phone or their laptop. There's a lot of little phrases, but I think you can agree that if you can work out of your home and make an extra $50, $500 or $5,000 or $10,000 or $15,000 a month, wouldn't that be nice? Because I have a lot of friends in Live Good doing that. I have friends making way over $15,000 a month in Live Good, all based on $10 a month. Okay, so can you do it? I think you can. That's why I like doing my little videos. You know, I got thousands of videos about this company on YouTube, and if you want to do YouTube videos, awesome. If you want to do emails or if you want to post on social media, I have advice, tips, tricks. I email you everything I do once you join me. Okay, I'll be notified, by the company, and then I'm going to send you a nice email. Okay, I want you to do exactly what I do. I want you to copy me so bad. Please don't get distracted and think you got to buy all these courses and systems and techniques and study for 2 to 3 months with $2,000 to $3,000 of things that you purchased. At the end of the day, let's just get you doing the basics. Let's get you good on social media. But we need to make you a little entertaining, a little fun. Okay? If you want to email, awesome. Let's make your emails a little fun. Okay? Not so darn strict and serious. If you want to do a video like this, good. Let's just do a 15-second video. Then we'll go up to 30 seconds or 5 minutes or 10 minutes like I do. I'm at 12 minutes right now. It goes by fast. But it's up to you. Please think about video. But if you don't want to do it, don't worry. Some of our highest paid people in Live Good as affiliates, you don't see any video. They don't do nothing. They do 0.0 video. So that might be you. Okay? You know you better than anybody, right? Unless you'll invite me over and I'll live with you, okay? I'll pack. I'm coming to live with you now. Especially if you live in Fiji on an island. That would be good. We'll have drinks, work on our tans, and let's kick butt in this old Live Good arena. Okay, thank you for the last 12 minutes, 13 minutes of your life. Subscribe, please. Just click a button on YouTube. You guys can figure that out if you want to get my notifications. I try to do 3 to 5, sometimes 7 to 10 videos per day on YouTube. The more I do, the more money I make, to be honest. So making videos to me, it ain't the bad thing. All right, I appreciate the 13 minutes that you guys shared with me. But anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get me on Facebook. I'm not shy. You can inbox me there. And my email address, which I've had for dang near 40 years, Cory@CoryDraper.com. All this info will be below the video. Okay. All right, guys, there it is right there. Can you see it? All right, there it is, guys. JoinCory.com. Thanks again for your time. All right, you have a good day. We'll see you later. Bye.